A flood-prone coastal home stands at the edge of a shifting estuary, and the opening follows a calm assessment of water damage and a crumbling frame. Cramped rooms and reliance on generators push the homeowners to redesign for resilience while keeping coastal charm. Key challenges include rising tides, limited access, and floodable utilities, solved by elevating living spaces, watertight enclosures, and corrosion-resistant materials. The homeowners seek safety without losing sunlight, guiding a mezzanine, terraces, and a rain garden. The after reveals a flood-guarded sanctuary where life flows outdoors and calm returns after storms.